once again, guys. I'm teaching you how I was able to create the movie poster. So these are the images that I used, are the two images that I used, and now I'm going to take the first image, place it on my canvas, and I'm going to resize it to a preferred size, to a size that I really want, and then I'm going to remove the white background that the image has. So I pick a tool, that's a quick selection tool. Then I select the object, then pick it to my. You can use any tool, any background remover tool. Then I resize the image, make it bigger to my preferred size. Then I go ahead to pick the second image that we are going to double expose on the first image. Then I'm going to resize this to my preferred size as well too, and then after doing that, I'm going to go to my clipping mask. Clip the first image on the down image that's on the first image, then resize it to how I preferred it. You can do it the way you want, but this is how I want it to look like, and just to show a kind of double exposed image between the two images, you understand? So then I click max it. Then after that, I'm going to pick my soft brush. I have to make sure that my foreground is black and my background is white. Then I pick my soft brush. Yes, just pick your soft brush. Then just shade out, erase some parts that you don't want to see. Doing double exposure, it's not a difficult thing to do. You just have to be creative at what you want to do, how you want to double expose the two images. So I clean out the part that I don't want to see in the image. So just to make the main image come out better. And then after that, next thing I'm going to do is just to merge the whole images together to be one, then make it a smart object. Then I move to my camera raw. That's from filter to camera raw. This is just for me to do the final editing on the image. So I went to my color grading, then my shadow, I make it around 255 or thereabouts. I just wanted to have. Then the saturation, I increase it to about 25. Then to my mid-tone, I made it around to be around the yellow parts, that's like 36. Then increase the saturation as well too. Then also for the highlights as well too, I put that to around 180. Then the saturation to just around 30. Then from there I move to the details, just to sharpen the image more, to make it look more crispy and to come out more better. Then I move to light, reduce the contrast because I don't want it to be too sharp. I just want it to be too contrast. I just want it to be soft. Then increase the shadows as well to lighten it up a bit. Also for the white as well to increase it. I want it to be up a bit. Then also with the blacks as well too, just to brighten it up a bit. Then also move to the highlights as well, so increase that to around 5 kind of. Then from there I move to color. I want to reduce the vibrance of the whole image. Then I reduce that to about 14. Thereabout. Then the temperature as well to make it warmer. Just want it to be more warmer. And the tint as well too, I increase the tint a little bit. as well to about 5. Then I move to the calibration. I increase the saturation of the red, the primary red, and also increase the saturation of the primary green, also for the primary blue as well too. They are increased. Then for me, I'm good with this, with the way it is. This is the before and after. Then I clicked on OK. Then that's it. It's done that way. It's cinematic, it's different, it's cool. Then I just bring the writings, that's the text on it, then I copied it to this one, and that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. See you on the next one.